Okay, find the inverse of the function. Let me give myself some space here. There we go, I'll bring that back later. Okay, so let's take a look at this question. First of all, let's write it like this. Y equals 4 plus the cube root of x plus 2. I've just replaced the f of x with y. Right, interchange the x and the y. So x equals 4 plus the cube root of y plus 2. So we're looking to get this y by itself. First thing to do, let's take away the 4. So x minus 4 is the cube root of y plus 2. Okay. Now what do we do next? We cube both sides because that'll get rid of the cube root. So I'm going to cube both sides. So I have x minus 4 all cubed equals just y plus 2. Okay. So finally subtract a 2. Let's subtract a 2 from both sides. Let's go up here to write it. We will have y equals x minus 4 cubed minus 2. But in function notation, we write f minus 1 of x equals x minus 4 cubed minus 2. And that's the answer. That's the inverse. Okay? Right, I'm going to have to get rid of all this and just go back to bring the original question up in question 7. So what this is finding maximum and minimums and also where the graph, where the function is increasing and decreasing. So let's just get back here, just tapping away. There we go. Okay, so find any relative maxima and relative minima of the function. Well, right here we have a maximum, right here we have a minimum, okay? Now can you see, the maximum is 9, is that okay? Y is 9. And it occurs at x equals negative 1, okay? In fact, we'll just do this here. Okay, there's negative 1. Right, the minimum is negative 2. Y equals negative 2. Where does it occur? It occurs at x equals positive 3. Okay, that's that. Now, where the graph is increasing or decreasing, this kind of sometimes confuses some students. This over here on the left of the graph, increasing, increasing, increasing as far as x equals negative 1, not y equals 9. So it increases from negative infinity, okay, to x equals negative 1. It also increases over here on the right of the graph, okay? That starts at x equals 3 and goes on to infinity because it's going to the right, okay? There you go. That's where it increases. Where it decreases is just in between those two x values here in the middle there. So that's in between negative 1 and positive 3, and that's it, okay?